Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I know I posted one hair video. Guys, I've been collecting a bunch of stuff so that I can post more hair stuff. And then there's also these vlogs that I have cooped up that I need to post. Okay, so don't worry about it. All these things are coming out. So as you guys can tell from the title or the thumbnail, we are going to be reviewing something that's been on my mind for a long time. The REVAIR, y'all. We're going to be reviewing this bad boy right here. I'm excited. It's been, what, 7 years in the making. I'm going to explain all that. So if you guys want to see me review the REVAIR, please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, guys. So I said that this was 6 or 7 years in the making. That's because I've been thinking about buying this bad boy for the longest while. Since I was in Houston, I was thinking about buying this. And I was like, you know what? I don't need to spend $400 on a hair dryer that looks like a vacuum cleaner. I don't need to do that. But my sister sent me a link, and the link was for a refurbished REVAIR, and I was like, okay, cool, that sounds good. And instead of paying $400, I only paid $250 US, but $250. And I was like, yo, sign me up, please. As you can see here, it comes in this big ass box. Box is huge. And if you guys know me, I'm the type of person, if I obsess over something for quite some time, sometimes it could be weeks, sometimes it could be months, but we're talking about years, y'all. I've been obsessing about possibly buying this. And I'm the type of person, if I obsess a lot, or if I obsess enough, I'm like, you know what? Maybe at this point I deserve it. So I went ahead and bought it, and it was $250. $250 So it's technically a REVAIR that's been used for a maximum of 5 hours. So it could be a demo type of REVAIR, or something that, you know, someone just wanted to use really quickly to see how it feels. So like if it's in the store and somebody wants to demo it on someone, again, it's a demo type of product, or like a display product. So there might be some dings or scratches on it, but to be honest with you, as long as it does what it needs to do, I really don't care. I was not about to pay $400 US for this. Oh yes, I also want to mention that this is actually a smaller version of the REVAIR, so like the newest version. So it's less bulky, still bulky, but it's the smaller version. Let's open it together. What do you get with it? This thing is massive. It says open me. Oh my god, Jesus. All right, let me just get everything out and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All right guys, what does this bad boy come with? So we got a bunch of manuals right here. It's just operating manual and like a quick starter guide. And then it's just saying, thanks for being a part of the REVAIR family. We're not gonna read the manual, I don't think. It comes with the machine part right here, or the, what would you call this? The motor? The motor? This is heavy, like, this is the smaller version. I could not imagine getting the bigger one. But it comes with all of this on there to like secure it. So I don't know what it's really looking like. So this one doesn't come with the filters and the bells and whistles. Like, it's just the machine. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And you have a long cord right here. And this is where you put it on and off. That's cute. It also comes with the suction bit. I don't know what you would call it. I should probably read the manual and see what it's really saying. And I'm not seeing no scratches or dings, y'all. Like, it's looking really good. Even this one has no scratches or dings. Ooh, I like this investment. And how you put it on is from right here. So y'all are trying to tell me my hair is gonna fit through here and like it'll just blow dry it. And then last but not least is the hose. Can somebody tell me why this hose is so long? I'm not complaining because I know I need the length, but darn. And this hose is heavy. Hell nah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and I'll be right back, yo. I completely forgot, I gotta show you guys how I put this together. We have the filter behind here. You just fit it in right here. And then you use this right here to secure it. And then you do the same thing on the other part. So you're matching this point right here. And then yeah, you just put it in here. And then there's a lock feature right here. And all you have to do is twist it and it's locked. I know I've said this a lot, but this is heavy. It's very heavy. And then all you do is plug it in. And let me show you guys what the end of that port looks like. Nah, I feel like this is new, bro. Like, it comes with everything. It even come with these little things on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and we'll be right back. Guys, hair is officially washed. Your girl is tired. I am over it. I've been doing my hair for hours. We're ready. Like, I'm ready. I'm so geeked out. I'm so scared as well to see how this machine really works. And I know y'all are too. I'm sure y'all have seen it, but I haven't really seen everything. I just saw that persons put their hair in it and then pull it out. I've not read the manual. I haven't read anything. I'm just gonna go and do it. It's supposed to be lighter. If this is lighter, I don't know what was heavier. And the sound should be lower. Like, it should be less sound, less active as the first one. Yo, I don't know. I heard it. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Just wait. So this part right here is supposed to be the amount of tension that's being set by the motor. So it's a total of 7 settings. And so that's speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the suction portion of this device is technically 3 heat settings. So you have a low, high, and cool shot. All right, yo, let's get it together. Like, I'm ready. I'm ready like Freddy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like section off a little section right here. I also did condition and shampoo my hair, so that's all I did. I'm not putting anything else on it. I'm not doing heat protectant. I'm not doing all that. I just want to see what it looks like or feels like with how my hair is right now. So I don't even know, like, how big should the section be? I'm gonna do like a section like that. I think that should be fine, right? I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Alright guys, this bad boy pulls a lot of current. I'm seeing a lot of dippage in the lights. It's crazy. But this is how my hair is looking. It's not bone straight. Feeling inside here, it does feel warm, but it's not like hot. And I actually had it on the highest, or number 2. I had the machine down on like the engine, whatever you want to call it, that part, at 4. And it actually felt good. Is it straight? Nah. Is it what I expect? It's actually not bad. My hair doesn't feel hot at all. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna time it. But I'm gonna go ahead and like finish off this piece right here. And then I'll come back with another piece and we're gonna time it together. All right, guys, we're on our last piece. I'm gonna go ahead and time this bad boy right here because, can I say it's quicker? I think so. I think so. 1 second. Where's my timer? All right, guys, it took about 45 seconds to dry this section. I had to take a break. My camera memory was done and I was hungry. I've been doing my hair all day, but so far so good. This is what my hair is currently looking like. Is it the straightest I've ever had? No. But will it do for what I need it to do? Yes. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go back over everything again, just one quick pass, and then I'm gonna tell you guys my final thoughts. I'll probably... All right, guys, we are all, what would you call this? We're all dry. I've dried my hair, stretched it out. And yo, I'm not gonna lie, I actually like this. I like this a lot. The fact that I didn't have to, like, I do a stretching method. I would hold my hair and then use the blow dryer and do this, but it's a lot of heat. Like, the heat is pretty high and it's a lot of work, and it just takes my life, bro. But with this, you just suck it up in there and like you just chill, big chillin'. Bro, I absolutely love this. Look at the results. Again, it's not bone straight. I personally am not looking for bone straight. For those of you who want the blowout action and the you're not gonna get that here. This is a good start, especially if you want to put braids in and whatnot. But I absolutely love this. Like, I'm sorry, what? Now I can style my hair and go about my business? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair, and I'm gonna let y'all know my final thoughts on this. All right, guys, I've gone ahead and done my hair. Same thing I always do, up in a little pineapple, and I just kind of rolled the front, rolled the sides because it was easier to do that. And yeah, we have a little updo. What y'all think? Once I used the REVAIR, it was a smooth sailing to do my hair. So I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts. I'm going to do it in a way where it's about my senses, not all 5 because I ain't taste nothing. I'll just do 4. So we'll start with a sense of sight. So from looking at the device, it's amazing. I love to see it. It's sleek. It's just lovely. I love the aerodynamic of it. I love the fact that it's black. I just love how it looks. I've used blow dryers before. I have not used the first one, and I heard that was louder than the second one, which is the one that I have. If I am comparing it to a blow dryer, the blow dryer was a little bit louder, I think, but I could be wrong because the motor made noise as well as the suction part made noise, so I could be wrong, but I don't know how to explain it. You could hear it. Y'all heard it. And it goes up to 7 speeds, so it could get very loud. So I will say, in terms of hearing, I didn't mind it. I could use my AirPods and I was good to go, so I didn't have any issues with the sound. I didn't smell anything at all. So sometimes when I put on the blow dryer, you smell like heat coming from the water that's being evaporated by the blow dryer. I didn't smell anything. It smelled like my room, like nothing. And I really like that part because it didn't feel like my hair was being fried completely. Like, it was just great. Like, I didn't smell nothing. I would say feels sleek. It was heavy. The suction part wasn't as heavy as the actual motor. The motor was heavy, but can you imagine coupling the motor, the suction part, as well as the hose? Because the hose was heavy as well. It's heavy duty at the end of the day, and I think it's meant for salon, so I don't think that the average person should really be comparing it to like personal use. But when I would put it against my hair, it would suck the hair hard enough where I didn't feel like I had to hold it up. Like, it will suck it and it'll be like there, and I'm just like holding it like that, you know? So feeling, it was good. Like, I didn't have any issues with it. I was just there straight up chilling. Also, when it was pulling on my hair, I am very tender-headed, okay? Extremely tender-headed, and I didn't feel a thing. It felt amazing. I could have done this all day. Like, if you are a person that's tender-headed, you do not like people pulling and yanking on your hair, this bad boy right here, top notch. Chef's kiss. So honorable mentions, it's easy to use. It's not affordable because I paid $250, but retail price is $400 if you want everything. And I think the device only is about like $349. So you might as well just pay the $400 for everything. Do I think everyone should get it? If it's within your budget, definitely get it. If it's not within your budget, you don't have to get it. I also forgot to mention that it did cut my hair drying time. I don't want to say in half, but like it cut it by 1/3 of the time, I would say. Because I went through a second time around, and going through a second time around, it was just like and I was done. There were certain sections or parts of my hair where I felt like, you know what, let me just go full force. So I had it on the highest motor, which was 7, and I had it on the highest suction as well. And don't get me wrong, I still felt some heat on my hair, but it's nothing compared to the blow dryer, nothing compared to anything that I would have put on my hair that had heat or would apply heat to my hair. I was really shocked. Even when it was sucking through my hair, I was like putting my fingers in to feel it. You felt a little bit of the heat, but it wasn't anything to talk about. And as you guys can see, like my hair wasn't like bone straight. It was stretched, and that's exactly how I enjoy it. What am I gonna rank this? I'm gonna say it's a 5 out of 5. actually a 10 out of 10 would recommend. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash the notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all. Alright, we got some bloopers. Lots of them. So as you guys can tell from the title or the thumbnail, yeah. So as you guys can tell from the... So we have the filter behind here. And and then you do the same thing on the other part. This is like I have so many things on my desk. It's crazy. Upload and also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat. All my social media accounts is Loaferette at Snapchat. I have not said that in such a long time. Snapchat.